Hi everyone, I am Ankita and welcome back to my channel. So I make fitness and lifestyle videos, and if you're someone new here, then you don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also, if you really want to stay connected with me personally, you can always drop a message on Instagram because I'm really very active over there. Anyways, first of all, I'm really sorry for delaying this video for so long because I was really got stuck in so much of office work and stuff. Anyways, honestly, I was planning to do it very kind of interesting way, but the thing is that I was not getting time, and I was like, I need to do it because I really wanted to do it on 1K special, but it's just getting delayed. So I just thought, let's do it. So I just did this Q&A questionnaire on Instagram, I think 2-3 weeks ago. Today I will be answering all your questions, and because there were questions mostly related to fitness again, because I actually told you all that you can ask me any kind of like personal questions or different questions, but I really got a lot of personal and fitness questions. So I just decided to divide this questionnaire in two segments. First will be the one will be our personal questionnaire, and the second will be related to fitness and health. So yeah, I'm using this another phone for the questions, and also this is my very first this kind of a questionnaire, so please bear with me and excuse me if I just do some kind of mess. Anyways, so हम start करते हैं personal questions से. Let's take it. The first question is from Deepak Purohit 012, and he says, just want to say that you have so beautiful and have nice thoughts. Thank you so much, Deepak. It means a lot to me. Akansha Singh 1410, a day in my life vlog. Akansha, I have actually done one or two a day in my life. You can just go and watch them till I upload a new one, because I will do it very soon. The Shattered Waves. Do you wish to pursue fitness as your career or as a side hustle? Honestly, right now I am neither looking at it at fitness as career nor side hustle. I'm just doing it out of love and interest, and the most important thing that I'm being able to just share my experience, my health journey, my weight loss journey with you all. And also because I see that it helps to so many people, especially women, when it comes to women, because I talk a lot about hormones lately, because even I am very new to all these things, but I'm digging in, and I'm just getting surprised each and every day to see that how things are very different as what we really see on social media or just hear from normal people. But anyways, I just try to I love just getting so much of digging into it and getting the right knowledge, and also sharing it with you all gives me immense peace and happiness. So that is all for now, but yes, definitely, if things go well and this gets extended, then I think I will be more than happy to just take it as a career or just kind of a side hustle. But yes, fitness is something that has my heart. Jay116, what was one of your happiest childhood moments? There is not one, right? Because childhood is always very happy, and my school times were good. What was, let me think. I don't know, but अभी जो मैं सोचती हूँ ना, जब अपनी childhood memories, especially my school times, तो my favorite and my most amazing moments when I was really just more than happy was just to be with friends. And then especially when the first time I just learned riding my scooty, and I was just so happy. That was the phase of life there. That time I was just so with myself and just so happy and always happy, because you know there was no kind of burden, responsibilities, anything. And I still remember the first time my best friend, yeah, she actually, you know, she's amazing at riding vehicles, any kind of vehicle. And so I was in 7th standard and she just, you know, made me learn scooty. So you know, I hope that you can connect. जब हम पहली बार स्कूटी वगैरह कुछ सीखते हैं तो कितना मज़ा आता है, especially when we are very young. I was in 7th standard and I was just on the top of the sky and I was like flaunting it over, you know, I mean in front of my friends and relatives. Those kind of silly moments really made me happy at the time. And ये एक ऐसा मोमेंट था जो अभी मुझे क्लिक हुआ, दैट्स व्हाई आई शेयर इट विद यू. ओजस्विनी Kalanki. Okay, I don't get to watch your morning stories completely, but I do watch as much as I can, and all that inspires me and gives a subtle sense of relief. Thank you so much, Ojaswini. This means a lot to me, and you know, I just really love being there with you all on Instagram, especially while talking with you all, because it really feels like I'm talking. Because when I just, you know, put a story, at least 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 people will always reply about something, or they will just drop a message that this was nice or this was this. But it means a lot, you know. I just feel being there with you all. And talking about morning stories, I have been missing there lately, but soon hopefully I will be there. But yeah, thank you so much. So this J116 has, you know, asked me so many questions, personal questions, and I actually filtered out few of them because I thought these are interesting and you all maybe, you know, just would love to hear it, or you can definitely skip it. Are you an extrovert or introvert? Okay, honestly, from in my childhood, while I was a very, you know, young child, till my 6th standard, I would say I was totally introvert. I used to have 1 or 2 only friends, best kind of friends in my class, and I used to hang out with them. But I was not at all extrovert. I just was not like a person who had huge, you know, friend circle or will just speak out to anybody. I was not like that till then. But after 6th standard, I don't know, when puberty hits, right after that, I was just too much of extrovert. I was just, you know, all about strangers and people and meeting new people. And whenever I used to, you know, travel with my parents anywhere, I used to love explore people. I used to love talking to you know, just different people and just knowing their stories. Till then, that time only. And I just, after that, it was all about being extrovert. But now things have been a bit, you know, kind of ambivert, because now I intentionally don't just, you know, try to be very extrovert at a particular situation or very introvert. I try to set some boundaries, and I try to, you know, just analyze before just going to someone and speaking a lot or just talking out my heart. So I think it's moderate right now. What is the perfect weekend to you? Perfect weekend, अगर कोविड नहीं होता अभी तो my each and every weekend, you know, I just wanted to look like I'm just outside somewhere. It's not always key I'm just visiting some beautiful place or just going to a mall or something. But even just going for, you know, grocery shopping on weekend just makes me so happy. It is very therapeutic to me to just go in the store and select and see products and just buy them and bring it home and just organize it all in the kitchen. मतलब ये सब करने में मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है and मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है, especially on weekend, because when I'm in no rush, when I know that I have all the time in this world to do this stuff, to organize my stuff. You know, major part में weekend का यही होता है, to just clean it all up and just organize the stuff, and if possible to just go outside and enjoy the nature and enjoy anything, because I am totally you know, outgoing person. If you could be described with a fictional character from a movie, show or a book, who would it be? I don't know. I totally don't know. But lately I'm watching Vampire Diaries and I am drooling over it because it is beautiful. I don't know why मैंने इतना time क्यों waste किया, and I never watched it, though my, you know, so many friends always ask me to watch it. But anyways, I'm watching it right now, and the character of Caroline is something which I really relate to in many of the situations जहाँ मुझे feel होता है कि this is the, I mean, she behaves in the same way जो जनरली मैं बिहेव करती हूँ when I am with my especially my girlfriends, because I really see her always being a bit excited, hyped up, and always uh, speaking without thinking a lot. So I am like that with, especially when it comes to being with my friends. They say love yourself before you love others, but happiness is real only when shared. Your view on this? When it comes to love, honestly, it is very true. I personally believe in that if you can't love yourself, then don't expect anybody else to do it, because everybody wants to be someone, wants to be with someone who is giving love, right? And you can only give love when you have love for yourself. It's exactly like you can't pour in a cup from an empty cup, right? You have to fill your cup first of all, and then you can pour it into the others. So I think you always have to love yourself. When you love yourself, then only you actually take care of yourself, you look after yourself. And that is something which people really get inspired with, and or they just love it, because that thing actually attracts. And I have really learned this from my own experience, because since the day I have started taking care of myself and looking after myself, not just about health but mental health and emotionally and every single thing, like how I behave to the situations, trust me, from that day people around me have changed the way they just respond to me. Do you live every day as the last day of your life, living your best? If not, then what's stopping you do it? I always try to live my day with the just best day of my life, with this kind of intention that this is going to be the best day of my life. And I always try to do my best. I always when if I'm planning to shoot a video today, like this video, I always try to wear something just good and amazing, that I just that so that I can make it very perfect, because I really want this day to just be a very beautiful day. But there are days when just day controls you, and there are so many things which go wrong, and which just doesn't goes your way, and it's okay. I think that it is very normal, it's okay, you should accept it and move on. So yes, I definitely would say that up to 60 to 70% I really live my day like it's the last kind of day of my life. If you got a chance to time travel, what three things you wanna know in your future? इतना डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछने को कहा था मैंने. These are kind of I don't know, I suck at them. I am someone who, my friends and family, everyone knows that I am someone who never cares a lot about the past or the future. I am always someone who lives in present, and always you will find me doing something that is making me happy presently. And I don't know, I really try to give it a thought, but personally I really don't want to have everything sorted out and everything known, because अगर मुझे आज सब कुछ पता चल गया कि कल क्या होने वाला है, after few years क्या होने वाला है, I don't think that I would be so excited and so in fun and enjoying this journey जो भी बची है to reach that point, because I already know the output, so I don't want to mess it up, right? If money wouldn't matter, what would be your dream job and favorite place you want to live? Okay, this is a beautiful question. If money wouldn't matter, I तो शायद अभी जो मैं जॉब कर रही हूँ 9 to 6 वो मैं शायद नहीं कर रही होती. Honestly, I'm being honest, but I'm not very sure. But talking about health and fitness, which has just found me in this lockdown, I just want to do it. I really don't know if I will make money out of it or not, but it is something I want to do forever. Place, if it is in my control, I don't want to be at any particular place. I really want to just wake up in another city of another country in this world. I just want to be at the new place each and every day. What is on the top 3 of your bucket list right now? I don't know top 3, but the top most is to just travel the world. I just want to just see each and every beautiful country of this world and city of this world, and I just want to fly and I just want to explore it. What is one thing you feel your life is missing? Honestly, अभी पूछा जाए मुझसे एकदम current stage पे, I don't think that I'm missing something, or maybe because I have always filled myself so much with so much of gratitude. Every morning when I wake up or every night when I hit the bed, I always tell myself that God, this was just beautiful, this was just perfect, this is what I needed, this is what I wanted. So that I has actually changed my mentality so much. इसलिए मुझे बहुत ही rarely feeling आती है, okay, I'm missing this thing, I'm missing that thing. It's from I am Riddhi. How do you remove baby hair? I mean, do you wax or shave? If you're talking about these baby hair, these kind of baby hair, I mean, here we have, right? I don't wax it, but when I just go for threading my brows and upper lips once in a while, at that time I ask them to just thread it up a bit on my baby hair on my forehead. That's it, that works for me. There is not too much of baby hair, but yes, because my forehead gap is really short when it comes to all the hair over here, so I try to just get them threaded out. Again, few more questions from Jay. Apart from your home, where do you feel most like yourself? Yes, I think that home is something. Home is not about just being a building where your family is living, but home is something where your heart is. You are feeling your best and you are just being yourself. And I think, like, here I'm being myself and it feels like home, and I'm talking to you all. And just like this, when I'm traveling with I'm just traveling and I just meet some new friends over there and I'm just talking with them about life and stuff, I'm being myself, right? And I'm with people whom with I can just share myself and just show them my reality. So I think that is again home. So it totally depends on the kind of circumstances and people you are with. What makes you fall in love with someone? I'm pretty sure you wouldn't answer this on Instagram. Kindness, compassion. But one thing I really want to share with you all, because I really had this complaint at certain time of life that okay, I'm fed up of people. I don't see people kind. I don't know how can they do this to me or do this to someone else. But since I have started focusing on just myself, rather than seeing how is everyone is reacting, what they are doing, I started focusing on my actions, because I am not the perfect god creature, right? I am just a human being, and even I am not sometimes very kind. And when I just started being mindful on my response, on how kind I am with someone, or kitna pyar se I'm treating someone, or kitna care se I'm treating someone, trust me, from that I noticed so much of shift. I rarely meet people who are not kind. I believe this is again kind of a law of attraction. We can talk about it later in another video, but this really works. The if you really want to change something around you, change yourself first of all, you will automatically slowly attract the same energies, and it really works. It is beautiful. I really want to share this experience with you all, and I will. But for now, even I am working on it, and I am seeing the changes. I'm experiencing it, and it is so beautiful. A song which describes about you to closest. I don't know, I'm not so much of music kind of a person, something, but yes, songs like kind of motivational or inspiring really just touch my heart for a while. So lately I would say there is this song Underdog from Alicia Keys. So I don't know, my friends don't like it very much, but I love it. What attributes of yourself makes you feel that you are unique from others? First of all, not being very serious about any kind of situation or aspect in life. Again, I'm not perfect, and it ruins sometimes. It ruins a lot of things sometimes, but this is something that I really love about myself, because this helps me to get out of difficult situations very easily. Because I see people they get so much serious about anything or anyone, that they are just so much attached to that thing, or any person or any place or anything, any circumstances, anything, that they find it so difficult to just unlearn it and come out of that. But I am someone who just doesn't takes a lot of time to do it, and that is something I really love about myself, because I'm always changing myself. I'm always ready to just run. I'm always ready to just flip it all up, and I'm not scared about it. Well, I always have this thing in my heart that it is going to be okay. So I think that it is something which is really kind of attribute which I really love about myself. But there were people who actually complained me about these things, that you are stone-hearted and you don't have feelings for anyone, or you don't have blah blah blah. But anyways, I really adore this kind of attribute in me, because this makes me less, this makes me less prone to just suffer when someone leaves, when something happens, or when you see a kind of failure or something. It really helps me to keep going on. Now another question is from that astro guy. Okay, I frequently see your name on my Instagram. You are doing a great job, just keep going. I use Insta for the type of content you provide. Thank you so much, this means a lot to me. Anand Patel 2109. What does a typical Saturday look like for you? I think I have already answered this in the question of how weekend looks like. So thank you. Money Explores. Okay, I am seeing you for a long time now. Um, what are your career plans in future? Do you want to leave your software job? It's not exactly that I just want to run out of this job or something. It's okay. I won't say that I'm just loving it with all my heart, but also I'm not hating it. I'm just going with the flow and I'm okay. But I think, as I know already discussed about it with fitness and everything, so as I said, I'm not very serious about everything and planned and like that. So I'm just waiting to life unfold. One is from the Lost to 4 qualification. Actually I have done my BTech in computer science and I got passed out in 2019. And also right now I am doing a nutritionist course. So that's it for now. Amarpreet 56. What motivated to lose weight? See, I would be lying if I will say that good health, good physique, everything motivated me. Yes, good physique and just desire to wear cute, clothes and attires. So that is something which we desire, but it is not something which can just motivate you up. But the instant motivation that always just gave me that push was comments from people, from my very close people, from my very best kind of friends, from my very close relatives and people, comments. But kahin na kahin it made me a bit sad, and it just pinched me up, and that really wanted me to that really actually made me to start this journey. And इसी की वजह से I just took my very first step. And धीरे धीरे with process the reasons just got changed completely, and now my reason to just keep going with my fitness and health is not just to show someone, or just because someone said to me something. No, it's just because I really want my health to be on a very optimal level, so that I can just help myself and then help you all. AM Atul Jangir, what's your height? It's between 5 to 5'3". Shivam 11M, कोई छोटा भाई भी है आपका? Oh yes, I have a very amazing, intelligent and talented brother. Even he has an amazing YouTube channel. Its name is Vinetoscope, and if you are someone who is an anime lover, you will love it. How old are you? I am 23. I just turned 23 in March, on March 22nd. Ria, what is the best thing you have done in life? Changed myself. Being mindful and changing myself whenever it was required is something which really helped me a lot. Jaya 12 Surya, define yourself. Okay, I think this is the most difficult questions we all come across, but I would just say that I am kind of a person who loves to live life up to fullest, and I just really don't want to be stuck at one place. I'm always evolving and always enjoying each and every moment of this life, always working on myself, always trying to improve, but also enjoying life at each and every moment. Anubhav 2328, how do you manage to get up so early in the morning daily? Okay, the only thing that can really help you to just wake up in the morning is to sleep early. That's it. But also for detailed information on sleep and how can you improve and everything, you can find it on my YouTube channel and also on my IGTV videos. shattered waves, do you lift weights or just limit it to yoga and calisthenics? And what are your views about all these forms? See, when it comes to all these forms, I would say if it should be very individual, and if you really love any one of these, you can go and do it. There's no one stopping you. And when it comes to myself, I love lifting weights, though I'm not very, kind of a lifter or something. But I have just started lifting weights for past 1 year, I think, and I love it. I love doing it, and I do it. I am kind of a, I love going to the gym, hit the gym. But since the lockdown has happened, so that is the reason that I'm going more into yoga and home workouts, because that is something which is I'm enjoying at the moment. But with time it changes, and that's how it goes. Charmi Mehta 295, how are you doing? And you look great, by the way. What was the time span in which you got fit, and how? I'm great, Charmi, thank you so much, this means a lot. And thank you so much. And I actually took around 1.5 years to just lost all the 27 kgs. And talking about how, I have really shared my journey and everything on YouTube and Instagram, everywhere. You can just go and check it out. Sijo Valyara. What's your job? I'm a software engineer. Being happy. Read your struggle on Quora and followed you. I'm going through the same. What kept you going? As I said that, छोटा मोटा मोटिवेशन आपको कैसे भी आ सकता है. पीपल कमेंटिंग यू और समवन ट्राइंग टू मोटिवेट यू, कहीं से भी मोटिवेशन आ सकता है. बट डोंट रिलाई ऑन मोटिवेशन. स्टार्ट समथिंग विथ मोटिवेशन, बट see how it makes you feel and what are the benefits your body is having after doing it. That will actually keep you going, that will actually help you to build habits and ultimately build a good lifestyle. So that is it. Okay, my back is hurting now. I'm sitting for 30 minutes around. Everyone, a very good morning. So this is another day, because कल मैंने सोचा था कि मैं करूँगी फिटनेस वाले Q&A भी, but time is the problem. I just thought कि अभी सुबह उठ के जो भी मेरा रूटीन है, जो भी है, आई विल डू इट, एंड आई विल जस्ट take some time out in between and just keep answering the questions. That's how it will go. So I've just had my morning drink and I just got freshened up and everything, and now also I did some stretches, and now it's around 9:30, so I will just have my very first meal of the day. I will have some protein shake, because I like to start my day with protein, because it really helps to just support my whole hormonal system and everything, to keep me fuller also and energetic throughout the day. So now I'm in the kitchen, and let's start with our very first question. Anubha Japoria, alternatives for not eating salads or cooked green vegetables. See, first of all, if someone is asking you to just have green vegetables or just salads, especially just boiled and not even cooked nicely, then you just have to run away, because that's not the right way to have your vegetables. Because when you are just boiling your vegetables, or you are trying to eat them raw in the form of salad, the kind of nutrients they have in them is really tough to get absorbed. And when you are combining it with good oils, that is good fats, at the time those fats really help to for your body to absorb all the nutrients in the vegetables. So whenever you're having any kind of vegetable, try to just cook it, or at least just saute it, so that it is having some good amount of fat also. And when it comes to taste, see, I have been a child who never liked vegetables, and now I personally believe if you're not liking your vegetables, then the biggest reason is that you are not cooking it right. You have so many YouTube videos for different recipes for each and every vegetable. Just try them out, and I'm sure that you will love it. Because, for example, spinach is something which I don't really like, and I'm not a good fan of it. So I'm trying this creamy spinach recipe for a while now, and I have also shared the recipe on Instagram. So it has just been a game changer for me, and now I am loving spinach, especially with that cream. So you can try these kind of different recipes, and that's how you actually include healthy and delicious food in your diet. Tashu Mohite, does irregular periods cause weight gain? See, irregular periods and weight gain both are just symptoms. They are not like anyone is causing the other one. It's like both are the symptoms of your hormonal issues. Because when your hormones are not balanced, and if one hormone is very up and down and things are going all over the place, at that time weight gain happens, irregular periods happen. For irregular periods there can be a reason like cyst or fibroids, and it happens when one cell is not being able to communicate with other cell and can't ask it to just stop growing, and that grows up and it can form cysts and fibroids, which can lead to problems like PCOS. And when it comes to weight gain, right? So at that time, again, your body, the hormone disbalance, your body cells are not communicating, and that's why your body doesn't know then when do I have to stop storing the fat and when do I have to start burning the fat. That causes weight gain. So both are the symptoms, right? So you have to focus on your lifestyle to keep balanced in hormones in check and balanced. What are your beauty secrets, especially that glow on the face? Okay, thank you so much first of all. And honestly, this glow is not as glowing as it looks on camera, because camera makes everything enhanced. But yes, I like to keep take care of my skin as much as I can. And the basic and the most important things you can do to keep your skin good is by your good food and your good sleep, your good water, and most important, your stress. Because the more you're stressed, again your hormones are all over the place. And again, as I said, told you an example of cyst and fibroids, it is exactly working same for your acne, for your pimple. So keep your hormones checked, and also make sure that you are not eating very processed food, sugary food. Try to have a good amount of vegetables and good amount of fats. Also lately I'm using this happy gut powder from Cosmetics. I have actually talked about it on Instagram, you can go and check it out. It is kind of a herbal blend, beautiful herbal blend, all the Ayurvedic ingredients. So I really like to just take a pinch of it and mix it with my protein. You can actually have it in any kind of way, and this is a beautiful brand. You can just check it out on the Instagram. Trust me, this is not a sponsored video. You can, I really love it, so you can just go and check it out. They have so many variations, like your happy gut, your what women want about herbals which can support your hormones. So these kind of things are there, you can just check it out. Jaya 12 Surya, how to attain peace of mind in this unsafe thing happening around us? My personal experience, if I would say, see, when I am sitting idle, lonely, and not doing anything at all, at the time these things bother me a lot. See, it's not that when I'm working, I don't know about the world, what is going around. I really know how heartbreaking the situations are, and our country has suffered a lot. But the thing is that personally, I'm just telling that what actually helped me to just keep going, and that is something what I love. Try to focus on things you like to do and which can actually keep you busy, because it really helps you to just keep your mind sane and not just get stressed over simple things, not just get stressed again and again, because prolonged stress again is a very huge problem. I have also discussed about it on Instagram on an IGTV video. Anyways, so this has really helped me, that you need to find something which you actually do to just feel very relaxed and also busy at that time. And secondly, you see situations like these come, you have to take time out to just tell yourself that it's okay, it will be all right, everything will be all right, everyone will be good. And make sure that you are at least praying for others, and rather than crying over it, just tell them that God bless you, I really pray for you, everything will be fine, and let it be. Because crying over something, crying over someone just it won't get the things right. In fact, it can make situations worse for your health. So just try to take time out to do something which is keeping you busy and sane at the same time. And also make sure you are taking time to just analyze yourself, that what is that thing that is keeping you stressed out, and what can you really do about it. Anyways, I need to sit down at a place to talk to you all, because I have seen people doing Q&As while they are running their errands and their day, and they are also discussing these questions. I tried, but I suck at multitasking, so I need to sit down and talk to you all. Anyways, Anupa Jakodia, can we take vegetable juices if unable to eat them? I personally won't suggest having vegetable juices, but still, like if once in a day, in a meal of a day, if you want, you can go for a vegetable smoothie. Like you can just blend carrots and beetroots and just blend it up, add some salt, black pepper, it's ready. You can do with some cucumber and some spinach, or you can just make variations, and you can definitely go for it. Even I don't have much idea about it, because I don't personally prefer that. There was a time when I tried having spinach smoothie and all, but honestly, because it also required me to put some fruits in it, because also when you are drinking juice, it just all goes एक बारी में सारा अंदर चले जाता है, right? And you don't even know that how much you had and what you had. So yeah, if you're someone who doesn't like vegetables at all, maybe it will work for you. But I like to just have my vegetables cooked and just with nice aroma, with nice taste. So yeah, you can go for it. Hell and heaven diet plans. See, I can't just I don't even know you. How can I provide you any kind of diet plan or tell you what you should have to eat? Simple thing is that if you are doing great with your health, I would say that you have to just eat home cooked food and balanced food. सबसे बड़ा इशू ही यही आता है हमारी नॉर्मल डाइट में, जो हम बचपन से डाइट खाते आ रहे हैं, स्पेशली अवर ट्रेडिशनल डाइट इन इंडिया. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी हाई इन कार्ब्स. प्रोटीन और फैट्स की हमारे पास जगह ही नहीं होती है प्लेट में. So that is the main issue. If you really want to just look after your meals and diet, make that meal balanced. And still, if you don't know and you need some help with it, you can just drop me a mail. Hi Money explores, are there any indication that our body gives to tell us that we are drinking less water? Definitely there can be a lot of indications, and the most primary indication is in the morning when you are just going to poop out. You should see that how comfortable it is. If you are easily pooping out, it means that you're okay with your water levels. But if you are having problems like constipation, or in general you are just facing difficulty to just poop out, and you are just in pain, or you're just not comfortable, then water can be a huge reason for that. Many indications can be your acne, can be not feeling hungry a lot, because most of the time we just get confused the thirst with hunger. So that again can be a reason. Feeling a bit dizziness, a bit nauseated, these kind of signs again can be a symbol of lack of water, but also they can indicate other things. So I can't say that this is exactly what you need to just keep a check on, but you can still be mindful that this is happening, water can be a problem. So just grab some good water and keep sipping on it. So I think that should help. Prasanjit Ghosh. So here is my question: why people waking up tired even if they slept on time? Tips to banish it. See, there can be a lot of reasons behind it, that maybe someone is dozing off early because the day was too long, very tired, very hectic. So obviously the next day they won't be able to wake up early and full of energy. And there can be a reason that they are having heavy dinner just before they are sleeping. So that again causes a lot of load on your digestive system, and that is why your body needs extended rest, and you don't feel very energetic, and you just can't wake up early in the morning. So if you ask me tips to banish it. First thing first is try to manage your stress. Try to take some time out before sleeping to just relax, so that your mind is not going to bed all stressed up and all just hooked up. And another thing you can do is try to avoid heavy dinner, especially before bed. Make sure you're having your dinner at least 2 hours before you're going to doze off. Ayushi04, I am here struggling to gain weight. Can you tell something to gain weight? Also, by the way, loved your content. Thank you so much, Ayushi. I know that I really am talking about weight loss, because I personally have a lot of experience for it, and also I have more of people around me who really are struggling with it. And talking about weight gain, I will really talk about it in detail once I also just learn on these things very nicely. But for now, I can just suggest you one thing. See, if you are not gaining weight, unnecessary weight, kudos, you are on a safer side. Secondly, if you really want to just look a bit good, and you want some weight put on, you just want to put on some weight, you have two options. Either you can put some good amount of fat on your body, or you can put some good amount of muscle on your body. And putting fat is really an easy process. You just have to eat crap and eat a lot of it. Secondly, when it comes to putting on muscle, it's a bit tough task, but it will give you better results, because putting up fat is not a great idea, because fat in long term is very inflammatory and can just make you prone to many diseases. Whereas muscle is very metabolically active. It will keep you very healthy and will improve your longevity and keep you just also make you look good and toned up. So and for that you have to have your good meals, balanced meals, good amount of protein, fat and carbs. Secondly, you have to lift some weights, or if you are not being able to have weights, or you are not being able to just go to the gym and kill it, you still can do good strength training, like your squats, your push-ups, deadlifts. These kind of workouts you can try at home, which can definitely help you to build some muscle. Vaishnavi DXT, can I lose weight by only walking and eating healthy ghar ka khana? Totally, 110%. But only improvement you need is you need to tell me that what is that healthy ghar ka khana, because as I said, that ghar ka khana, the traditional khana, is not very healthy, not balanced actually. So you need to make it balanced. And talking about walking is great. Any kind of movement is great, and even if you're just walking, do it if you really enjoy it. Not an issue. That can definitely help you to lose weight if you are eating good amount of balanced meals and your lifestyle is proper and you are including some movement. You are good to go. Eddie0025, hey Ankita, whenever I try intermittent fasting, I start missing my periods in spite of weight loss. Any idea why? Okay, Eddie, I will be posting a IGTV video today itself. I don't know what day this video will go live. Anyways, you can just go on my IGTV video and see a video regarding intermittent fasting, and you need to watch it very carefully, and you will understand that why intermittent fasting is really is working for some people and is not working for some people. I won't discuss about it in detail right now, but one thing I would say, that intermittent fasting, again, it means that you are just having 2 meals a day, right? So in those meals, what you are having, that matters a lot, because when we are restricting our meals, most of the time, most probably, we are also restricting our nutrients, the nutrients our body need. And especially when it comes to our periods, there are so many hormonal changes, and that time our hormones need good nourishment, right? So most importantly, they need to have good amount of fats and protein too. Harsh Priya Khindri, if not in mood to cook, what's the easiest recipe you make? I don't know. This is my best non-cooked food. You can have some nuts. Okay, honestly, because I have started eating eggs, so my easy to cook and the most healthiest option is to just make an omelette and add some veggies or add some cheese or something delicious in it and spices. that is my best and the most healthiest meal to go. And also on my Instagram I have shared few recipes like your mushrooms, your paneer tikkis. They will not take much time, they will take around 10 to 15 minutes definitely. एक या दो बार डालोगे ना, तीसरी बार you will not take much time and it will be really easy, delicious, super balanced, super nutritious meal. So you can check out my recipes on Instagram and just give them a try, because those recipes are really easy. Like I have done a buttery saute kind of mushroom, and it just takes you 10 minutes. You just have to cut your mushrooms, wash them, saute them, and just add some butter, some cheese, and that's it. So it won't take you more than 10 minutes. You can just definitely go and try it. Tejal Singh, keto Indian diet. I didn't get your question. If it is about asking keto Indian diet, see, I have seen people who are on keto diet and they are doing great with their health. And keto is really effective when it comes to a lot of diseases and problems in our body. So it's great, but I personally would like to go a bit low on carb rather than cutting carb, because because people like me, I know that we have always eaten carbs since ever, and just restricting them completely from your life can also cause some stress and eating disorders, and just keep you not at peace. And also you don't need to cut it off completely to stay healthy. It just, you have to keep a check on the quantity and the quality. Nitesh Gaur, how to overcome on depression, personal plus work, how to motivate myself for exercise. As I said that see, depression is something huge. You need to look into it, and if it's not kind of a small interval of stress, if your work life, your personal life is making you a bit stressed once in a while, as I said, you need to take time out to keep your stress in check. You need to take time out to manage it. It's like, जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि आपको वेट लॉस करने के लिए एक्सरसाइज की टाइम निकालना है, तो अगेन आपको अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छा रखने के लिए यू हैव टू टेक टाइम आउट टू कीप अ चेक ऑन योर स्ट्रेस. when it comes to how to motivate myself for exercise, ये मैंने बहुत बार एक्सप्लेन किया है दैट डोंट रिलाई ऑन मोटिवेशन. मोटिवेशन क्या होगा कि जिस दिन आपका अच्छा मूड है उस दिन मोटिवेशन आएगा. आप 2 घंटे एक्सरसाइज कर दोगे, एकदम पसीना बहा दोगे, एकदम यू विल जस्ट रॉक इट. अगले दिन मूड ख़राब हुआ, आप थक गए, यू वोंट शो अप, राइट. दैट इज़ द रीज़न दैट आई डोंट लाइक मोटिवेशन. सो उसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हो कि start today and just take 30 minutes or just 20 minutes for yourself out and do some movement, any kind of workout, any kind of exercise, and don't push yourself a lot. Just do it for the first time, come back, relax, take rest, eat good, next day go again, do the same kind of, or just push a bit of yourself. That's how you actually progress, because this is how you're telling your body that I'm not doing something very extraordinary. This is just a lifestyle. This is just a habit we are inculcating, and this is really important for my body. जैसे आपके लिए ब्रश करना important होता है आपका माउथ को क्लीन करने के लिए, ऐसे ही मूवमेंट इज important to keep your body clean. So it's like that. You just have to understand the basic, that why am I doing this, and secondly, I don't need to push myself to that extent that I am not being able to come up, show up tomorrow.